Cannot use F10 key in Midnight Commander running in OS X's terminal. I connect to my server from terminal in Mac OS X 10.5. When I run Midnight Commander there I cannot use function keys like F10 to close MC, even I cannot use mouse to control MC. Any idea why function keys don't work?
Don't know why the FX keys don't work, but you can press escape, then 0 to simulate F10. Also works with 1 to 9 for F1 F9.
Function keys are used to control both software and hardware functions as well as dashboard and expose in Mac OS X. If you have a MacBook Pro, F1 and F2 control screen lighting, F10 mutes the speakers, etc. Check the keyboard preference pane in System Preferences.app. Is the checkbox use all F1, F2, etc. keys as standard function keys on the keyboard tab checked? If it's not, you need to press Fn plus F10 for macOS to register a F10 key press. Otherwise, you're just toggling mute speakers, or whatever you have on F10. Check the second tab, Keyboard Shortcuts, especially Dashboard and AMP, Dock, and Expose and AMP spaces, if F10 is used for one of these functions. If it is, the key press is intercepted before terminal receives it. This answer was written for Mac OS X 10.6. I don't know if those dialogues were changed. If step 2 above does not work, check the dashboard/expose/spaces preference pane in System Preferences. The same settings should be available there.
To send F1, F12 keys to an cursor's program running in terminal.app, press Fn plus Command plus F1, F12. This works for me on a MacBook Air with OS X 10.9.
This problem occurs because of ANSI terminfo. You can change declaration to term in Terminal Preferences Advanced tab and Fn keys will work.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.